On these aluminum rims on a lot of the John Deere planters, the older ones. So what if we're using this hammer tool and it wouldn't take it out? So now we just drill a bolt out. Okay, and it popped it off. Okay, now he's got his wheel apart.
Yeah, I may have to go get a bolt.
He can take his vice grip and probably put right on it and screw it out. What's left of the bolt. Comes right out, but pounding on it with that hammer wrench did not take them out. So this is a quick and easy way to replace these bolts right here.
I may have to use my left-handed. Yeah, I'd have to go work on 2 of these.
Okay. This is an easier way of doing it.